Use the second partials test to determine whether the following have a local max, min, saddle point, or neither. First, I'll find the partial derivatives of this function. Next, I'm going to find the second partials that are needed for the formula. I'm going to write the formula for D. Now let's plug in. Notice that for this first one, D is greater than 0. And fxx is greater than 0 as well. Because of this, we have a local min. I'll find the first partials of this next formula. Now let's find the second partials. According to the formula here, we're going to have 2 times 2 minus 2 squared. And the value of D is 0. So when the value of D is 0, the test is inconclusive. And as we can see in the 3D picture, there isn't a min or a max or a saddle point at the origin. The next function has a saddle-like look to it. Let's find the first partials. So our D value is going to be 2 times 2 minus negative 3 squared. Which is negative 2. So here D is less than 0. And we have a saddle point.